There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the new haul video, and there I will show you some good products that I have purchased from Nykaa and Purple as well as. So first I will show you some products from Nykaa that I have purchased. Then I will show some Purple products. So first of all, I will be starting from some very interesting products that I really love. This is Lakme eyeliner, guys. You know that इंक्लूडिंग ब्लैक, वो ब्लैक वाला तो मैं बचपन में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती थी. मेरा फर्स्ट आईलाइनर लैक्मी का वही था, वो ब्लैक वन. आई जस्ट लव दैट. अभी भी मुझे बहुत पसंद आते, लेकिन अभी मैं वो खरीदती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग ऑलरेडी लॉट्स ऑफ आईलाइनर. सो तो मैंने ये तीन नया जो शेड्स आया है लैक्मी आईलाइनर का, तो मैंने वो सारा शेड्स मैंने ख़रीदा है टू ट्राई. दिस फर्स्ट वन इज़ ये 130 करके आते हैं पर इच eyeliner, 130 rupees. This is Lakme Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner. This is not waterproof, guys. Make it clear that it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. Okay, so this is in golden shade. I will definitely show you the shade. Obviously I will show you. See guys, this is so good. I hope you can see. It's so shiny, so bright. I'm so excited to try this one. This is so good. Among all the shades in this range, I guess the golden one is the best. And this is the blue one. This is royal blue. This is so good. Yeah, I'm having lots of royal blue eyeliner from different brands. Like, oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm definitely loving it. Again, and this is like a green one. This is good too. And the brush is I'm not liking the brush actually. I don't know what has happened with this green one. I'm not liking this one. Anyways, the shades are so good, so beautiful, guys. See, oh my god, the golden is so great. I'm loving it. After that, 3 mascaras. Actually I was running out my mascaras. Those were so dried up like hell. Like, I was not using since 4 or 5 months because I was not in my home for few months, and those were like dried up. So I bought 3 mascaras. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl Easy Wash mascara. This is for regular basis. This is rupees 310. This is so good. And this one is Maybelline Colossal mascara. This is for regular uses. And the wound I will show you. See guys, the wound is so good, so good. I'm so excited to watch to use this one, the regular one. And I'm having this already waterproof. I have already the smell is not that good, the chemical smell. Like, see, oh, it's so good. I'm already having this one. Again, I got just a backup purpose. Then I'm having 3 Nykaa mini lipsticks. I know you people can ask me then why I have bought this mini lipsticks instead of buying the full size. Because guys, I'm having lots of lipsticks, you know that, and this is a waste of money. Like, I can't use a shade for a regular basis because I use a lipstick like I don't know if I'm wearing this one today, and when the day will come that I will use this one again. I don't know because I'm already having lots of, and I try uh, new colors in a new day in a daily basis. So guys, that's why I guess this, whenever I see something like in lipstick range, whenever I see there is something a mini version, I always prefer to buy this mini version instead of buying the full size. And this is in the shade toppy trail. I heard about this shade. This is so good. Yeah, okay. See guys, oh my god, this is so good. But this one will suit for fair to medium skin. This is not for dark skin tone. And this lipsticks is for sorry, in shade devious pink. This is, yeah, so good guys, mini and cute, right? Oh my god, I'm loving this one guys. See, oh my god, I'm loving this one. This is good for medium fair and as well as deeper skin tone also. This will be so nice on them. And this is cranberry sangria. I don't know how is it. Okay, see guys, this is so good. This is so this will be suitable for deeper skin tone also, and as well as fair and medium. Oh, I'm so loving these products. I will definitely reviewing those. Then for our favorite brand, you know, Am Caffeine, I have ordered few products from Am Caffeine. This one is Am Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Scrub, guys. This is for all skin types, 100 gram quantity है इसका, and this is cost 325 rupees. See guys, so good. I know, I'm so excited to try this range from Am Caffeine. And again, this is Am Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Wash for all skin types. Net quantity is 100 ml. This is cost rupees 325. See guys, so good, so good. I'm so excited to try this out again. Then I'm having this Am Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum for all skin types. This is 40 ml products, and this is 625 rupees it costs. The inner packaging is look like this with a dropper, obviously. See, so yeah, this is, I heard this is so good for acne prone skin, as I'm having acne prone skin. And then guys, this is something so good, Am Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Shell for all skin types. This is the quantity is 50 ml. This cost rupees 575 rupees. So affordable and so good. This is the inner packaging, guys. I hope you can see. So again, I'm so excited to use, and I will definitely reviewing those if I like it. I know I like it. And I got it for free from Am Caffeine. They sent me this to give, and this is like Am Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. इसका quantity है 15 ml for all skin types, guys. This is so good. I'm having the full size of this one, and this is like Am Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, normal to oily skin, net quantity 20 gram, guys. I'm also having this one in full size. I used it and I love that coffee range of Am Caffeine. And thank you I'm coughing. So done. Now I will show some products from Purple. This is a Damdog Daily Moisturizing Conditioner. I got it for free, guys. Yeah, I got it for free. This is 120 ml. But इसका price जो है 215. If you guys wanna purchase this one, you can buy. This is so good. This is so good. This conditioner is so nice. It conditions my hair so well, so well. Like, I love this. गिरा के सब कुछ. And again, this one is Gentle Exfoliating Face Toner. Net ml quantity इसको 120 ml है. And exfoliating toner, yeah, with glycolic acid. इसका जो amount है, amount 120 ml है. इसका price है 275. It claims that exfoliates dead skin cells, brightens complexion, treats discoloration, finds signs of aging. So I'm so excited to use this one. Yeah. After that, Damdog Anti-Acne Face Toner as with salicylic acid, 120 ml, helps fight acne, unclogs clogged pores, brightens skin, controls sebum production. This is rupees 275. I am loving this Damdog because I don't know why this some chemical what these things, I mean chemical bonding, or I don't know, I mean something like that. I forgot that. C78603, these are written here in every products of Damdogs. This is something I really like. And again, a Good Vibes Cucumber Glow Toner, as I like this Cucumber Glow Toner. And then again, Good Vibes, lots of sheet masks. There are white tea, oatmeal, kiwi one, yeah, lots of guys, and olive one. So yeah, that's all about this video, and I hope you people liked it. And if you like, then please do subscribe my channel and like this video, and